Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to NetTech Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to change YouTube channel name and fix YouTube channel not showing in search list, step by step. So keep watching and follow my steps. First, open your any web browser like Google Chrome. Then go to YouTube. Now make sure you are signed into your account. Then you go to your YouTube channel. I am entering by searching the name of my YouTube channel from here. Because today I will show you by changing this name. Now I come to my YouTube channel. Now in this right hand corner you click on your profile icon. Then click on YouTube Studio. Then come down to the left corner for setting. Then over to channel. Then click on advanced setting. And scroll to the bottom and down here. Now click on the manage YouTube account. Now select edit on Google. Now in here under basic info you have got your channel name. So just select on that. Hit the little edit button. See this my channel name. Now try to change. Now enter a new channel name. NetTech Tutorials with Reiad. Now hit the save button. So now we back to YouTube Studio to verify the name of our channel. Now refresh this page. See the channel name has been changed. Now let's see if I can find this new name by searching on YouTube. No, channel name not found. So let's solve this problem now. Now again we go back to YouTube Studio to solve the problem. Then come down the left corner, click on setting, then click on channel. Now we delete the previous keywords of the channel from here. Then add your channel's new name to the keyword. Now hit the save button. Let's search YouTube again to see if I can find this new name. No, channel name not found yet. After about 2 days, I'm back on YouTube today to see if my channel's new name can be found by searching. See, the channel name was found today. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel.